Get ready with me as tourism student in the University of the East Manila. So I just woke up, and honestly, it was so hard to get out of bed. But we need to be productive today, so let's go.
Hindi. Get ready with me. So, nandito lahat ng gagamitin ko for my makeup. So, first is foundation. Yeah. So, before ako nag-apply ng foundation, guys, I use Lux Organics as my skincare. And nag-primer muna ako para mas tumagal yung kapit ng makeup natin. Kasi, as tourism student, gusto namin na talagang plakado hanggang pag-uwi yung makeup. So, tapos na nga yung foundation. Next is kilay. Balikan ko kayo. Okay? Bye-bye.
1 hour later.
So, done na ako magkilay, guys. Next step is mag-blush on. Wait.
1 eternity later.
So, I use my Vice Cosmetics.
A few moments later.
Alam niyo ba? Sabi nila, madali lang daw yung tourism. Kaya nag-tourism ako. Hindi. Tourism ako, alam niyo ba kung bakit, guys? Kasi, gala talaga ako. Aminado. And, nag-e-enjoy ako. Kasi, naniniwala ako na dapat mahal mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Para mas maging successful ka sa buhay, kailangan mong mahalin yung kung ano man ang iyong pangarap. So, this is my final look. Everyday look ko to sa school, guys. And, next kong gagawin is mag-ayos ng hair and magsuot ng uniform.
Thanks for watching.